How to make a dedicated effort to achieve your goals. Welcome to Freedom Formula. In this video, we are speaking about making a dedicated effort to achieve your goals. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Have you ever made a goal for yourself, just to fail to meet it? The vast majority do. In reality, it's fairly normal for people to get locked in a never-ending loop of creating goals, then abandoning them, and doing nothing. What motivates people to behave in this manner? A lack of devotion to their aim is one of the main factors. Without dedication, a goal will lose its significance over time, and the temptation to give up will become far more appealing, especially when difficulties produce setbacks and delays. On the other hand, when you make a solid promise and then remind yourself of it on a regular basis, you'll be far more likely to stick with it and accomplish your objective. Here's how you can stay focused on your goals. 1. First and foremost, be sure that each objective you establish is critical to your success. This can be difficult since we frequently deceive ourselves into believing we desire one thing when we really want something else. Take your time with this step to ensure that you get to the heart of what you truly desire. What exactly is it that you desire? What will you be able to achieve as a result of it? What positive aspects of your life will it bring? What is the benefit to you? When you've completed it, how will you feel? All of this should be written down and kept somewhere accessible so you may reference it as needed if your dedication begins to waver. Also, consider whether the work and sacrifice required to reach your objective are worthwhile. You're on your way if you can honestly respond yes. 2. Consider the consequences of failing to follow through. If you don't reach your goal, will nothing happen? If not, the stakes must be raised. You must prioritize your aim above everything else, and if you fail to do so, you will suffer unfavorable repercussions. Do it, even if it means engaging in some make-believe. Play up the idea that if you don't follow through, you'll lose respect for yourself, or you'll agree to give up something you enjoy if you don't. 3. Then, each day, reaffirm your commitment. When your motivation is strong, it's simple to be devoted to your objective, but you must be able to stay committed, no matter what. Read through the objective you wrote down on the first day, and each day as you wake up, emphasizing how critical it is to your success. Make a promise to yourself that you'll do everything you can, that day, and every day thereafter, to work towards your objective. No one else can attain your goals for you. The reality is, it's completely up to you, whether to succeed or not. You'll need to find the will to keep going, if you want to reach them. Procrastination and inactivity are typically just lousy habits. It's as simple as taking one day at a time, and putting up your best effort to transform your life. The more dedicated and determined you are to achieving your objective, the more probable it is that you will succeed. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, if you found this video helpful, why not show some love and share this video with your friends on social media? Please remember to comment below, and let me know about your experience with committing to your goals and dreams. Now, over on the top left-hand side of the screen is a video I believe you might like. Directly below that is a video YouTube believes you might like. And if you look over to the right-hand side of the screen, you will see an icon you can press. If you press that, then you will be able to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.